We found our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week at a cruise-in in East Tennessee. It's retired coal miner Gary Baker. And let me tell you, retirement has allowed Gary to create some rolling masterpieces, including this 1987 Chevy R10. It's the first vehicle that caught our eye there in the parking lot, and it's one of the best looking square body trucks I have ever seen. And with the 454 crate engine under the hood, it's also one of the best sounding trucks I've come across. And if you think this one is great, check out the truck that Gary didn't bring to the cruise-in. It's a 71 Chevy stepside called Stella May, and it's been featured in Motor Trend and all kinds of other publications and websites. The truck came from Arizona, and it still has the original patina. That looks really cool, but it does not have the original power. That comes courtesy of an LS motor from a 2004 Corvette. Two beauties from Gary Baker, our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week. You don't have to build cars or collect cars to be the Motorhead of the Week. You just have to dig cars or racing, or just like the show Motorhead Garage. Go to motorheadgarage.tv. Tell us why you or someone you know should be the paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week. And you've got 1 week to do it, because Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools.com, returns in 7 days. We'll see you then.